Hi, I'm Jimmy from Microsoft Store. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. To get started, first figure it out where you want your drop-down to be and the options that you like to appear in your drop-down list. In my spreadsheet, I have some employees in column A, and I like to assign departments to each in column B using a drop-down list. First, I'll highlight the empty spaces under departments where I want my drop-downs. Then I'll go up to the ribbon and choose Data, then Data Validation. In the Data Validation pop-up menu that appears, I'll select the drop-down menu under Allow and choose List. Then I can click the arrow to the right of the search field and highlight the data that has my drop-down list options, cells D2 through D11. I'll hit Enter on my keyboard, then OK to finish up. Now anyone can assign a department to each employee by clicking the cells next to each name in column B and choosing the correct one from the drop-down list. In this video, you just learned how to create a drop-down list in Excel, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.